Hi guys, I am Parkun from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we will be seeing about the implementation of multivariate linear regression as a code. First of all, as we know, we import the packages in the code. We'll import pandas as pd, numpy as py, and from matplotlib we'll import pyplot as plot. Then we are importing the data set in a variable. We are storing that data set in a variable called data there. So we write as data is equal to pd dot read underscore csv and the name of the csv file. So when we give data, the data set is being printed. So this is for in the next step we are converting the string values into the integers. So it makes the model to predict easily. So we are converting the string into integers. So in the next step, we are in this line data.info gives the information about the data set. So here there are non-null values. It shows how many non-null values and the data type of the data set. And the data.describe, this describes the about the data set. So example, it shows the count, mean, standard deviation, and minimum. Everything it shows that describes about the data set. That's all. Then data.isNull.sum. This shows how many null values are there in our data set, and it gives the sum of it. In our data set there is no null values, so it is for all the values are 0. Then we are splitting the dependent and independent variables. So x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. In x we are giving all the rows and only the starting 4 columns. In y we are giving only the profit column. So profit, as you know, profit is the dependent variable, dependent column. So here we are splitting the model, the data set into twos. One is for training and another one is for testing. So the data set is split into the train and test. Then here we use the sklearn linear model import linear regression, and we are storing a linear regression function in a regression variable. And ypred is equal to regression dot predict of x test. This gives the prediction of the test. So we are printing the values that is updated in the y predict. Then we are plotting the graph. Plot dot scatter of y test and y predict. In the graph we plot the y test and y pred. That is y test in the x column, x side, and y pred in the y side. So plot dot x label, y test is on the x label and y pred is on the y label. That's it. This is the graph we get for our model. Then we get the performance evolution. In the performance evolution we give the absolute error, square error, and the mean error, mean square error, and we find the accuracy of our model. Print regression dot score, we get y test and x test. So we get the final accuracy of our model. Thank you.